I literally have frostbite on my ears. Why is everyone looking at me? Broke in the bag. Room reveal. Hey guys, it's Alessya. Welcome back to my channel. You guys have been requesting this for a while now. And then I was like, you know what?
Let's just do it.
And I'm actually excited for you guys to watch this. Okay? Like, you will enjoy. I hope. Today, we're doing a room tour. And not just any room tour, okay? In this video, I'm going shopping at HomeSense to get some extra little things for my room, which I already put up, but don't look at those yet. So yeah, I went to HomeSense. I got some little things to spice up my room. I've been trying to redo my room for a while now, and this process has taken me a while. Before, it just I didn't enjoy it. Like I said in one of my other videos, your room controls your mood. Like, it literally controls your mood. So me not liking my old room was not good. I had to change it, and I did, and now I like it. But yeah, that process of like redecorating my whole room took me at least like 5 months because I could not spend all the money at once. Like, I did it like progressively over 5 months. You're gonna help me pick out items even though I already picked them out. You're gonna meet my mother reveal in this video. But listen, okay, here's the kicker. If you want to see more of me, go follow my Instagram. It will also be linked in the description below. It will not disappoint you, I hope. And if you're not subscribed yet, really? Like, that's so rude. Come join the family. Come join. We're a very welcoming place, and we just reached 100 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. I love you to the moon and back. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's just get straight into it. Okay, so hey guys, we're with the Madre. Hey guys! Okay, we're on our way to HomeSense to get some stuff for my room. Shopping with the Madre. And we're gonna go get a coffee because we're just cute like that. So we're going to Tim's. Isn't she beautiful?
Oh,
isn't she beautiful? We secured the bag. This line is literally huge. Holy sh! Here's me freezing my ass off outside, trying to get into HomeSense. So
5 hours later.
If I don't find anything, I'm probably gonna cry. So, yeah. Calvin Klein has blankets. Why is Miss Ellen on a blanket? Guys, should I get a Kate Spade blanket? Okay, I will. And it's gonna match my gray bed, so. Guys, I literally can't feel my ears. I really want a fake plant. Oh my god, should I get it? Okay, shut the fuck up. I really want a cactus. Look at this. This could hold like a plant. But I don't have a plant. Oh my god, I ordered one online. A fake plant. I can hold it with that. Okay, so I think it's big. I am getting this to put my fake plant in. But like, I ordered it online. My eyelashes are slowly uncurling and this is bad. Should I get a globe for fun? People are literally staring at me. Oh my god. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. I don't know what it's for, but I need it. I'm gonna hang purses on it.
Oh.
Yeah.
This has a scratch on it. It's okay. We'll ask them for a discount.
Always looking for the discounts. So I'm getting it, and I'm gonna ask for 75% off because of a little tiny scratch.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna get 75% off.
I don't give a I love it here. I think I could live here. I've never seen that in my life. Wait.
Yeah. Look.
Well, I'm getting a rose one. So, yeah. my mother is the slowest person I have ever met. So yeah, I left.
5 hours later.
I literally just went on a whole shopping spree. Like I bought the whole place.
Yes, she did.
So the bags are secured there in the back. The way that I spent $200.
I think we spent enough money. We're done. Out of here.
I'm never done. I'm going on Amazon tonight.
That was fun. We're so bad together.
Me and my mom are dangerous with money. I'm surprised we didn't spend more.
Yeah.
And we're probably gonna make like 5 pit stops on the way home. Okay, so I'm home. So I'm gonna show you what I got from HomeSense, and then I'm gonna put it up, whatever, redecorate, and then just show you my whole room. So let's go. I don't remember the order I like found it in, so I'm just gonna do it randomly, I guess. Okay, so there's you can't really see. There's this. It has like a crystal in the middle. I don't know what the purpose is. I just thought it was cute. So I'm gonna hang that up on my wall. I don't even know if I have space on my walls, but I'll find some. I'll find some space. Then I got this hand soap, and it just like really intrigued me for some reason. It kind of looks like a Chanel perfume, you know? So that really intrigued me, and I'm too broke to buy a Chanel perfume, so I got that instead. And then this broke in the bag. Like, it was so cute. I was really excited for this, and it freaking broke. Oh, there's glass. So I'm gonna return that. I'm gonna complain, and I'm gonna get a new one. This isn't for my room, but I got a hydro flask.
So basic.
But yeah, I got a hydro flask because I feel like that will inspire me to drink more water, because I don't drink a lot of water, and I feel like having a cute little water bottle will help me. So I also don't know what this is. Also, my finger is holding on for dear life. But yeah, I just thought this was really cute. It's like 3 little crystals, and I think it might be like a look at my face. So I'm not gonna show my face. I just thought it was cute because it like the crystals are just really shiny. So yeah, and it might be a coat hanger, but I don't know. I'm just gonna put it up anyway. I might hang some like purses on it, even though I have like 3 purses. So next, this isn't really for my room either, kind of for my bathroom, but it's like sea salt from the Dead Sea, and it has like roses in it too. Apparently Dead Sea salt like heals you, so I'm excited for that. Next, we have this thing my mom showed me. I don't know, she said it was diffuser. The packaging said it was a diffuser. I don't know how it works. Apparently, oh, don't break. Apparently, you put these sticks in it, and then the oil just like goes around the room. I got rose flavored, so. Okay, this is a garbage can. I just thought it was really cute because it's like marble. So, and it has like that, and my old garbage can didn't open, so my dog always went through my garbage, and I would get home and it would just be everywhere on my floor. So yeah, this is like a 2-in-1 because it's cute, and my dog will no longer be a little Okay, I didn't get this from HomeSense, but this is cute. I got it from Urban Outfitters, and it's just like really cute. But listen, this, you're supposed to hang it. I got this from HomeSense, and I'm gonna put this in it and hang it from my roof, my ceiling. Okay, I almost forgot to show this, but this is a Kate Spade blanket, and I felt really bougie because it's Kate Spade. So yeah, it's also really comfortable, if you were wondering. You might not care, but I don't give a shit. It's comfy. But I also get like really hot when I sleep, so I'm probably not even gonna be using it. But it's cute. Okay, I'm gonna decorate my room with all this, and then I'll give a little tour of everything. So, see you later. Literally, as I was setting everything up, I get a ring at my doorbell. And it's an Amazon package, and it's a cactus. I don't know if I wanted one today. I'm pretty sure I did. I really want a cactus. But yeah, I think I ordered this in like December, and it just came right now. So, got a cactus. Okay, guys. This is what you all been waiting for.
It's the room tour.
So right when you walk into my room, this is what you see. I chose to record this at night because like it just looks better. I could put the LEDs on and stuff, you know? And then right in front of you, you have my bathroom, and to your right, you have my closet. I had to color code this, you already know, because I just can't stand when it's messy, so had to make it aesthetic. Okay, moving on to my bathroom. We have my skincare right here. I actually just got new skincare and I'm really excited for it. Anyway, that's my soap that I just bought, and then the salt that I just bought. Then we got the garbage can that I just bought, and then this little cute carpet that I have. Here's my shower. I had to organize this too, because, I don't know, I'm just an organized person, I guess. So, going back into my room, I keep my ring light there. Oh geez, no, I had a pink desk here, but I just didn't like it. So, I substituted it with this rack. Here I have some jewelry in a shell and a little crystal. Then we have my TV and this old PS3 you guys always talk about in my comment section. And then here is my makeup desk. Here I keep my brushes, that diffuser I showed you, and then a candle, perfume, and some crystals. Then here's a little plant thing that I just bought. So cute. Right under my window, I have this little setup thing where I keep my aloe plant, some more crystals. You already know I have a J. Cole album and a vinyl, and then I just keep my MacBook there to charge. And as you could see, I hung a purse on this. Then I have these cute little fairy lights that you could put Polaroids on, and then the frame with the crystal that I just bought, and then my nightstand with some stuff on it. This my bed with my sea otter squishmallow, love him. And then my other nightstand, which I like better than the other one, and my tapestry, and then some vines hanging from the ceiling. Here I have some more crystals, an incense thing, some of my jewelry, a crystal tree, and then a jar for my incense dust. And here's my salt lamp alarm clock. So cool, I love it. Here's me lighting my incense for you guys. And here's my cabinet with some fake roses and vines and some fairy lights. It's kind of boring what's inside, so I'm just gonna show you guys my little perfume collection, because I kind of have a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed me explaining literally every single little thing I have displayed in my room, and I hope you enjoy my setup and stuff, because I love it. Hey guys, it's me again. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed making it. I enjoyed going to HomeSense, freezing my ass off, putting up my room decorations, you know. Now you could look at them. Now you could look, because you already saw. Also, side note, I need my summer tan back. Like, I really need it back. I was looking through my old videos and like pictures yesterday, and I just got sad. Okay, that was off track, but I meant it. And hopefully this gave you ideas for your own room. But I don't even know if I'm gonna make this outro long because I just don't know what to talk about anymore. So, yeah. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.